The loneliest animal in the world. This is Lonesome George, a male Pinta Island tortoise. For decades, it was thought that this subspecies has got extinct due to intensive overhunting and invasive species. But then suddenly on November 1971, George was found on the island of Pinta. The vegetation in Pinta Island had been devastated by invasive species, and thus for a safer shelter, George was moved to Santa Cruz Island. After George, scientists and researchers hoped to find more tortoises, but none was found. Many mating attempts were done to save this species from extinction, like the dinosaurs, but none out of all those became successful. Many female tortoises from different subspecies were paired up with George, but there was no chemistry and no hatchlings in between them at all. In June 24, 2021, George was officially announced to be dead by his caretaker, who was with George for over 40 years. He found him dead, and the species was then officially classified as functionally extinct. Imagine being the last of your kind on Earth. What a crazy feeling it will be. Comment down your views, and follow Advanceable to be the advanced version of yourself. Did you know that there are trees on Earth that actually walk from one place to another? These trees are called Socratia exoryza. These special types of palm trees walk about 2 to 3 centimeters per day from their original place, and about 20 meters per year. These palm trees walk because in the dense forests, they don't get enough sunlight due to the fact that they are calculated to be around 15 to 20 meters tall and 16 centimeters in their diameter. Now, in order to get sufficient amount of sunlight, their roots grow in the direction of sunlight, and their old roots lift into the air and then die. Unlike other usual trees, palm trees have their roots mostly outside of the soil that gives these trees a broom-like shape and structure. Have you ever known about these walking trees? If not, then follow Advanceable to know about such interesting stuff daily. Burj Khalifa is 830 meters tall, but if this building fell, it would be the most disastrous moment for Dubai in its history forever. However, can this really happen? Each year, 16.73 million visitors pay $37 for a visit, from where Burj Khalifa makes $621 million on a yearly basis. Deep down, 43 meters of the surface of Burj Khalifa, there are 192 pipes that support the building. This foundational structure consisting pipes is supposed to be as long as a 10-story building. Additionally, there is a strange hexagonal core at the very center of Burj Khalifa. This core is made up of 33,000 cubic meters of concrete. That's equivalent to the weight of 100,000 elephants. The whole lift system of Burj Khalifa is also incorporated inside this strange yet powerful concrete core. Nearly 75% of the building is made up of concrete, while other 25% is made of steel to prevent dangers from any harsh storms and high-speed winds. Do you think Burj Khalifa could ever fall? Comment down your views and follow Advanceable to be the advanced version of yourself. If you have ever traveled in airplanes, you might know that thermometers are prohibited to be taken with you during the flights. But have you ever wondered why? Mercury is present inside thermometers, which is a very reactive metal. It exists as liquid at room temperature and can easily dissolve other metals in it during a process known as amalgamation. And at end of this whole amalgamation process, something called as an alloy is formed. Interestingly, over 75–80% of the airplane's composition is based on aluminum. If someone ever take mercury with them inside an airplane, and if it fell at surface of the airplane, the mercury itself would start dissolving and corroding the airplane's aluminum, making an airplane a hollow structure and start reacting very strangely with its surface. Comment down your views and follow Advanceable to be the advanced version of yourself. This guy named Walt did a weird experiment of mixing germs with his blood, and something crazy happened. You might not believe this is even real. These germs are huge in size compared to your white blood cells. But after some times, we noticed an incredible thing. The white blood cells circled in the next scene to attack the germs, and after they attach, the germs begin to explode. Witnessing this under a microscope is really incredible. This same process continued for all the other germs too. The white blood cells would move towards the germ, attach to the germ, and then literally explode the germ. And the most interesting thing comes when this circled white blood cell started trying to attach to this giant germ, and it eventually ripped open the germ. They are small, but they are strong and determined to fight for you every day. So be kind to yourself. You are worth more than you can ever imagine. What are your views? Comment down. And follow Advanceable to be the advanced version of yourself. Make sure you don't miss these astronomical events in October. On the 9th of this month, there is a Draconid meteor shower in which you can see up to 20 meteors per hour. Along with that, there are 2 back-to-back eclipses going to happen in this month. One is on the 14th October. This will be the annular solar eclipse, in which moon covers the face of sun, making the sun looks like a ring of fire. The other eclipse is on the 29th October. This will be the partial lunar eclipse that can be seen from Europe, Africa, and Asia, as well as some part of Australia. The well-known galaxy known as Triangulum Galaxy is going to be at its highest point on the 15th October. It's the best chance for you to see this astonishing galaxy. On 22nd and 25th of this month, there are again 2 meteor showers named as Orionids and Leonids, respectively. You can see up to 10 to 15 meteors per hour in these meteor showers. Mention the person with which you want to see these meteor showers, and follow Advanceable to be the advanced version of yourself.